There's pretty much nothing going on today. I got kids centre all day, and then my park one tomorrow. So tomorrow, on the 27th of February, I will find out if I am allowed to teach in the park, which would be super sick and super awesome. I just need to make sure that my back ones, I land on my bloody toes. But yeah, so fun times. Fun times indeed. Also, there was last Sunday where, no, 2 Sundays ago, I basically spent 8 hours in the park, and all I wanted to do was learn how to do a shifty. So I spent 8 hours, and I was like, oh well, you know what? It's the same movement on the box to a point, so I can do a shifty in the box and a shifty in the air, and I'll just work on that. And after about 6 hours, we were sort of there, and I was like happy, and like, yeah, you know what? That's pretty sweet. And then I checked the exam, and you got to do like a pre-course thing, and I checked the requirements, and the requirements have now changed. You now have to do 2 things in the box. It's 50-50 in the box and 2 variations. So it's a good thing I did that, because now I can do a shifty and a tail press. So that is good news. But yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm mildly confident, I guess. Like, I've gone to all the park training things that have been available to. I've gone to the park in my own time. I've gone to the park in my days off. So I've done the work, and it's just now a case of, will I reap the rewards? And if I don't, it's not the end. And as Jamie Forbes says, it doesn't define you, and I can just take it again in March. Yeah, just means I've got more stuff to do. I'd very much like to finish the course tomorrow, be a park instructor, and then focus on either selling lessons and my own riding rather than have another thing to think about or another exam. So I think that is where we're at. Yeah. Good chat, guys. See you later. Gonna go and ride some gnarly terrain.